Drowning in a sea of tasks and feeling like nothing's getting done? I'm here to show you how to transform your Zoho CRM from a task management nightmare into a productivity powerhouse. Let's dive in. First, let's head over to the Tasks module. You'll find it conveniently located in the main navigation menu on the left-hand side of your screen. Click on Tasks to access your task list. To create a new task, simply click the blue New Tasks button. Be sure to fill out all the important fields. The subject should be a clear and concise description of what needs to be done. The due date is crucial for setting a deadline. Priority allows you to rank tasks as high, medium, or low to determine what needs your immediate attention, and status indicates where you are in the process, such as not started, in progress, or completed. Collaboration is key, so don't forget to assign tasks to the appropriate team member. In the task details, you can easily assign the task to another user within your organization. This keeps everyone on the same page and promotes accountability. Now, let's talk about organization. Use filters to quickly sort and view tasks based on due date, priority, or status. This helps you focus on what's most urgent and track progress effectively. For example, filter by high priority and due to date to tackle the most pressing items first. To save time and effort, create custom views. Click on the Create View option. Give your view a descriptive name like My Urgent Tasks. Then, specify the criteria you want to filter by, such as Assigned to Me, Priority is High, and Due Date is Today, or Overdue. Save your view, and you'll have instant access to your most critical tasks. Ensure no task slips through the cracks by setting reminders. Within each task, you can set one or more reminders to notify you before the due date. Choose the timing that works best for you, whether it's a day, an hour, or even just a few minutes before the deadline. Finally, celebrate your accomplishments by marking tasks as complete. Once a task is finished, simply change the status to completed. This clears from your active task list and gives you a sense of progress. And that's it. By implementing these simple strategies, you can conquer your task list, boost your productivity, and streamline your workflow within Zoho CRM. Remember to subscribe for more Zoho tips and tricks. #Task Management, #ZOHO Productivity.